How to fix Bluetooth Xinput compatible input device, code 10. 1. Run hardware and devices troubleshooter via msdt.exe. ID device diagnostic command. 2. Update device drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 3. Re-register tumshellx.dll. Files. Commands, breaks for 32/u tumshellx.dll. Breaks for 32 tumshellx.dll 4. Delete registry values related to filter drivers at hp_local_machine/system/current control set/control/class. 5. Perform system restore. 6. Check hardware for errors.